Can you pin videos on TikTok Lite? And why is the pin option missing? If you've been trying to pin a video but can't find the option, this is exactly what's going on. If you open your profile on TikTok Lite and tap on any video, then go to the three dot menu, you'll only see options like Add to Favorites, Save Video, or Privacy Settings. The pin video option is not available here. So, let's get straight to the point. Right now, the TikTok Lite app does not support the pin video feature. And now here's the fix. To pin a video on TikTok, you need to use the main TikTok app instead of TikTok Lite. Once you install and open TikTok, go to your profile, select the video you want to pin, tap the three dots, then tap Pin. That video will now appear at the top of your profile. So if you're searching for how to pin videos on TikTok Lite or fix the missing pin option on TikTok Lite, this is the only working solution right now. That's it. Quick and simple. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials.